This is Juan Mendoza reporting for Rebel News.
Well, good morning.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis held a press conference on August 5th in West Palm Beach announcing the appointment of Judge Renatha to be in the Florida Supreme Court.
Beginning of September for our next justice of the Florida Supreme Court, Judge Renatha Francis.
She will be filling up the vacancy left by Al Lawson. Former Florida Supreme Court Justice Al Lawson announced his retirement earlier this year. So Justice Francis will be taking over his spot and will start in September 1st of this year.
You can do great things. You can realize great dreams if you put your mind to it, if you work hard, and if you believe in the principles that make our country what it is and what we're trying to continue it to be here in our state. And so I think she'll be emblematic of that.
This comes a day after Governor Ron DeSantis announced the suspension of State Attorney Andrew Warren for refusing to uphold Florida law.
When you depart from the rule of law, like we've seen with a lot of these prosecutors, like look at San Francisco, the wealthy people still voted to keep that prosecutor in. Why? Because all the chaos that was unleashed by the insane policies, those were falling on the shoulders of working class communities. They were falling on the shoulders of communities that couldn't necessarily retreat behind gates and private protection. And so when you have the rule of law, the people that benefits the most are those that may not have power on their own, that may not have big institutions lined up behind them.
We don't take money from people like Justin Trudeau. We get censored by big tech and by YouTube. So we rely on you guys to help us get these news coverages of the border crisis and how it's impacting your area as well as the border states and all Latin America as well. So please go to rebelborderreports.com. You can donate there to help us fund these trips.